If you eat chicken breast every day, what happens to your body? It's a secret the doctor never wants to tell you. First, you'll lose weight. Due to its high protein and low fat properties, chicken breasts can help maintain a feeling of fullness and help control appetite and weight. Chicken breasts are rich in nutrients such as vitamin B6, selenium, and phosphorus, which are essential for the body's proper function and metabolism. But that's not all. Chicken breasts are a good source of high-quality protein that aids in muscle growth, repair, and maintenance, and protein is essential for building body tissue and cell function. Chicken breasts are relatively low in fat and are lean meat, helping to control overall fat intake while providing adequate energy and nutrients. Some of the nutrients in chicken breasts, such as selenium and vitamin B6, help boost immune system function and help the body fight off disease. Please follow me for more health information and please forward this video to your best friend.